Sunlight. It rinses clean, so it leaves everything this spotless, even in sunlight.
Next day.
Sally, your glasses are beautiful. I'll never stray again.
Who writes that stuff?
Sunlight, powder or liquid. Nothing gets glasses more spotless.